Well, here's the third and final part. It's done, it's fixed, and we're gonna put it back. This is exactly what was replaced. Exactly what we spoke about. Here's the old one. See that? Didn't release? Yeah, see that? Perfect example. Perfect. I didn't have to touch the button. $5 part, fixed a $300 microwave. You put the part in, you put the stuff back together. We have a cord on the bottom. You can test it here. You should. We were satisfied that it works, and then you just very calmly reverse the process. Try to figure out where all the screw holes go. Like I said in the previous parts, 1, 2, and 3 are what hold it from falling out. So I'm going to set this up on a tripod. We have the mad scientist here, and we're going to put it back, and we're just going to roll with it since it shouldn't be a 14-minute video, but I digress. Here we go. So we determined that it was pretty light to the point where I'm going to manhandle this.
It doesn't weigh much more than a regular microwave.
I think actually a microwave weighs more.
Move over here.
Oh, perfect. Here we go. Watch your head.
Yep, we're good. Forward.
There we go. Oh. Got it. Okay. Now we're just gonna.
It just sort of goes in and hooks on those hooks on the back at the bottom. If you need a hand, let me know, because I'm good with it. Oopsie doopsie. I think it just has to be lifted.
Oh yeah. I think that piece broke. Yeah.
Seems about right.
Yeah. No.
Where are we out?
Bottom. Ready? Give it to me. To me. Okay. There we go.
Okay.
Now we're in with Flynn.
That's it.
That's it.
It feels better now. Let me anchor this.
Oh, you got it?
I got it anchored here and here, so I should have it pretty good. I'm sure there's guys out there that say, oh, I put this in myself. Sure you did. It takes 2 people. Or a block of wood. It's in there. I'm bracing it anyway. I don't think there's a mad rush anymore to
Watch your head. I just wanted to see if I was grabbing it, but I think I am. Probably went in better.
This is what happened when Joe's drill battery is dead.
Yeah, you gotta go by hand now. You could probably let go.
It's not going anywhere now.
Alright. I guess that wood piece is just a piece because you can see it.
Oh yeah.
And sitting down, but I don't know. I might get rid of that, right?
Yeah, it doesn't need to be. I think the only reason it was there is just so you don't see the little gap there.
Yeah.
Actually, not for nothing. You don't want to nail it back in. The hot glue gun is so hot.
Yeah. What's the worst that can happen?
It falls down.
Down
That's it.
the way it just did.
Long screws.
So, I mean, this is considered a GE Space Maker 2010. This is what they decided to do. You have to go with the top. I don't know if they all work this way. I think my mother's was just a hook and gravity, but that would make no sense because it always wants to go forward. So maybe there is something. Maybe they give you a template. Everything's template now, don't get me wrong. You have to find the beams on the back of the wall. I don't know how tight or loose they were, but
I'd imagine they were
relatively
good
snug.
tight.
Or they were
Probably
good and tight. They were good and tight, huh? Setting this up another time and we'll rearrange stuff off camera. But... Alright. Well, the cord's out of the way. Nice. I usually put the cord behind the vents because the vent should never
Sure,
get...
that's fine.
The vent shouldn't get that spicy.
You gotta put that piece on.
Yeah, wheels, right. For just argument purposes, because the place is all, everyone wants to see what time it is. 11:06. Hickory Dicks. So what we'll do, since we'll put it all back, we'll give you a nice test with a cup of water. We'll make everything legit. And then we'll wrap up this 3-part series of Octember. Well, for the microwave, that is. I don't need to show you guys anything else, so what I'm going to do is I'll get you a cup of water. Put it in.
We did a minute 30 last time.
We'll do a minute 30. And we'll see what time it is, but do you guys want to see that live? Jay just showed the magnetron turning on.
Yep, right on cue. You can hear it humming away.
Okay, here it is. It's only 9 minutes, so it's live. You have anything to say in a minute and 14 seconds? Now's the time.
Don't throw out an appliance because you don't like its color or you think it's dated or anything like that, because for $5, this microwave was fixed. All it took was a switch. Like I said in part 2, if you can handle a screwdriver, you can fix it. That's it. There's nothing to it. Absolutely nothing to it.
Yes.
Knowing, a plumber was once called, somebody's heat went out in the middle of the night. And a plumber comes over, he takes a look at the boiler, and he's like, I think I know what the problem is. And he kicks it. He says, that'll be $100. And the plumber said, and then the homeowner says, $100? All he did was kick it. He said, I'm only charging you $10 to kick it. The other 90 is knowing where to kick it.
Yes. Yes. Just like a squeaky floor. Where to put the nail. 99 cents for the nail and $100, $99, $98. Okay.
And that's it. Bring this a little closer to the camera. Maybe you can see the chooch.
Yep, right by his face. You see the
There you
chooch?
go. There's all the chooch, and it's fogged up around the top. So indeed, the microwave is fixed.
Yep. Okay, so that's going to wrap up this 3-part series.
Right, we'll have the piece we're just going to put in.
Yes, I have a
Screws and-
piece off camera. There's no reason to show you. Sorry.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching. Thanks for Jay coming over and diagnosing the problem, that it was a switch, and just finding it. And please follow the links in the description. Part 1 has already been up and running, and there's 5 or 6 links from the last 3 to 4 years of things breaking, and everything broke in October and everything was fixed. There's nothing that, and I believe there's nothing in my videos that are not fixed. The phone fell, the refrigerator, the TV on the wall. Well, I didn't fix it, I bought a new one, but that's fixing the problem. It's fixing the solution, not the problem.
You can always fix the problem by buying a new one.
Right. So thank you for watching. We'll hopefully this is it. Thank you for watching again, and JK18, and then we'll see how long this microwave lasts. Hit like and subscribe and stay tuned. Take it easy.